So this is going to be just a quick video on how to put underlines and do equations in Excel. So remember to do an underline on any cell. See, this one is already underlined. You go to this little borders box, you click on that. And if we wanted to change that to a double underline, say, we can go down, select the double underline, and then you just click the bottom border, all right? So I want to put that back to a single underline. So I go to single underline, click the bottom border, and now it's single. And so we have to make sure that all of our totals have the double underline. So we go back to the border button, change it to the double underline, and then click bottom border, right? And that's how we do that. Now, we also need to do some formulas. So for adding up a total, like a column total, to get our total formula, we type equals and then the word sum, and then you open a bracket, and then you can click and just highlight all of the cells that you want added, and then you close the bracket and then you hit enter. Right? So for total liabilities, we did the same thing. Up here is the formula bar. When you click on the formula bar, or when you click on the cell, so when you click on the cell, you can see the formula bar. So if you click up here to the formula bar, see how it highlights the cells that are being added? That's a way that you can double check that you've got the cells adding that you want. And then for our owner's equity, we can do different kinds of equations. Now we can add or subtract individual cells. And you do that by just typing equals. Every time you do a formula, you always have to start with equals. And then you click on the cell that you want first. And then I'm going to subtract from my total assets, my total liabilities. And then I'm just going to hit enter. Right? And now for my total liabilities and owner's equity, I want to add these two cells together. And so I'm going to say equals, and I'm going to go equity plus liabilities. And remember that your cell for total assets and your cell for totals liabilities and owner's equity must match, right? That's why it's called a balance sheet, because they need to balance.